just wise up. Everybody getting sized up. Before we all
Hello everyone, this is Admit again. I'm going to tell you today how to change the properties of the form what you get. So once you get a new project in Visual Studio 2010, you can see in the Solution Explorer your project is there and some of the folders are there with your form. So this is the first form you will get. So if you need to rename this one, it's very easy. Just right click on there, go to rename and just rename the folder. So that's all. Okay, now when you double click on it, you will take this form. This is your form number 1 where you can resize it nicely. So this is how to resize. So you just click on any side of here and you can just drag it and drop it. That's all. So this is the display name here. So if you need to change the display name right here, it's very simple. In your properties window, okay, just I forgot to tell you something. When you take the Solution Explorer, I told you there are properties and the toolboxes is there. What we can do in the properties window, we can change all properties of this form as the displaying text, the color, the foreground color, the font style, if you want to make it bold or where this should start. Likewise, we can have a lot of properties. You can change them. You can change the icon. It's very simple. Just we have to click the form and go to the properties and we can change all the things here. So if you need to change the displaying text right here, so just go to the text and change it. I'll say like my page. So you can see it's changing. And also the starting position of the screen. So when you run the program, this file should start from the center now. If you want to, you can give center screen, or else you can give any other things you need. So center screen is very beautiful and very professional. And also the background color, if you just go on top of this one, you can see back color is there and you can say background color. So you can go here and you can say any color. So you can change the color right here. So that is background color. And also you can have a background image. So it's also very simple. You just have to go for the background image property and click on the small icon right here, and you can local resource and you can import any picture from this one. So I'll take this picture, then you can see the picture will come right here. Then you can click OK. The picture will come as this one. If you need to make it as one picture, that is background image layout. So this is which has style. If you go to stretch, it can be one picture. So likewise we can add pictures. And also if you need to insert the maximize button, the minimize button, everything, also properties are there. The maximize button, if you make it true, the maximize button will come. Minimize button, if you make it true, the minimize button also will come. Right, so that is how to change the properties of the form. And also you can insert a lot of components into this form by using the toolbox. Here we can have buttons, just drag it and drop it, and you can resize the buttons as well. And also everything will do for the form, like the changing colors, the foreground color, the font size, and everything also can be done to any of the component right here. For example, if I take this button, if I need to increase the font size, click on the button, go to font, and you can have this small icon is there. If you click on that, you can change the font size. So you can increase the font style. And also if you need to change the text here, you have to go for the text. You know that, right? Okay, so I'll say click me. Okay, now the button is there. If you need to add a label, just a label, and you can change the name of it. And if you need to add a text box, go to the text box. Yes, it's there, and draw the text box, and that's all. If you need to have a menu bar, what we can do is there's menu strips is there, menu strip, and just take it down and place wherever you want, and you just have to type what are things you need. In the first I need file, then under that a sub menu I need exit, and under that I need forms, and I may have the student form, I may have the teachers form, like say we'll see. So those are some of the subcategories in that form. It's a file menu. And also you can have the picture menus, charts, a lot of things are there to learn. So you just try and do it, then you will know what will be coming from them. So I'm just telling you, these are the things that you can do. You can change the colors, you can change the pictures, those things we can do. So that's all about this tutorial. We'll see you in the next tutorial about the coding level.
My crew is all fired up. Y'all better just wise up. Everybody getting sized up before we all rise up.